and welcome back to a new vlog. I hope you guys are having a good weekend. So I'm starting this vlog off today. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for all the new subscribers, the returning subscribers. Thank you so much. Yeah, so we're gonna start our vlog off today, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. And please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. yogurt good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. We're in Food Lion because we did go to the park, but we're in Food Lion right now. We're in Food Lion getting some stuff to put on the grill.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
Bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up,
The Black
bless
Star.
up, bless up, bless up. Soon as I wake up in
And this is how our cheeseburgers turned out.
the morning, I see dollar signs. It's the only thing that's on my.
I think I have the most pickiest toddler in the world, so Kyson ended up getting fries and chicken nuggets. It's bath time. I usually give Creed and Kyson a bath together, so that is what I'm doing. Creed does not like bath time at all, so I am trying to wash them up and get them out as quick as I can. Me and my husband work as a team, so I'll get the baby and he'll get Kyson together after bath time. So that's what we are doing.
Real shit. I wasn't even on fuck you. But you trying to make me look stupid. I slapped the dog shit at the stop sign.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
I'ma tell you this one time. Boy, I want you to be mine. Can I come see you now? Can I lay with you outside? Can I touch your lips with mine? 'Cause I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel and believe that we ain't better die. 'Cause I don't feel around. No, I don't feel the
They just spin like that. Both of them, all of them spin. This is for like extra stuff that doesn't have like so organized. This is how it is, and they all spin. So yeah. Okay, so I'm about to replace that one with this one, and I'm also gonna buy some new thingies to go inside of it because we've had those for like 6 years and it's just time to replace it. So I'm gonna put that stuff in here, and then yeah. And then I did get this board for it to sit on. I got this board. I thought this was a bit bigger, but it's not. So it's really tiny. I thought it was gonna be bigger than this, but it's not. But that's okay. I'm just gonna put this on there like that, and that like that. So that's how it's gonna look. I am getting new. It's not gonna look like this because I am getting new stuff to go in here. This is kind of old still, so I'm gonna get new stuff for that, and then a new thing for this as well. So it's not gonna look like that. But that's how it looks so far. I like it. So far I like it, but yeah, so we're just replacing and adding new stuff to fit our liking, and I'm not gonna get rid of the stuff that I'm taking away. I'm just gonna add to it. That makes sense. And then if I want to go back to how it was, I can just keep the stuff that I replaced, if that makes sense. Okay, so this will be the end of the vlog. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. This is the end of the vlog. We have more coming up, so thank you guys for tuning in.